Yo how ya kwada. Yo na be tell. Don't tell me e bi aso be tell. Jana tell me who fit ye di MC ara. Because of what you the last paragraph here. Jana mane ka sa asem. No, against me. What are you talking about? Until they make 5 minutes now. Because of time. What kind of papa penny? No, I'm gonna say, what we see here, what can say who to say? We tolerated you. Now, can you speak to about when I speak to Alan that way? Will you be happy? Why? Say Alan penny, me, you so where be say papa penny. No, Alan. That is yes, of course. Me threaten to say ultimate to become police station. When they make also a police by family, me boy. And see, so we NPP ni. Na so oka cassette system no. Na police police who say asemo a woka no. E threat nti say you invite wa. O de also mu dia e blue nti me yemfa. On mine na ye team no President Mahamadu Bawumia no or the discipline na ye adwuma. We jai e de nia academy so de ma institution bia say omfa nya adwuma. Enti sa wo kokasa no wan kasa yi nko ade a e na ye ti hai obie na no wan kasa yi a police be fa no. Okay. Me da say mame solo so na mintie solo so for Simadu. Solo mame ntio Simadu. Mr. Speaker, we da say say asem we asem bi ani kwan mo we e dey asem no. The bia sorry no pa be kasa free e ko be bia na mboa. Why me ana? Wa be kasa ma wonya problem da. Oh dabi. Maxwell na no dabi otchere wa kandi ope. We are wa kudiufo only problem. Be and energy. Label be Kennedy no akọ. The what are we discussing? You see I don't know ma meje the label nensem be all can say the fight on the economy no. NPP ain't main fight, but omo dream fight is say omo record the United Party ye omo say ye need the hope of the country. I make me fight here with superior argument. Ora Mahamadu Bawumia minimum mo a handle no. Handlers ni very weak. Dr. Bawumia handlers. Mama na good hu ani masi what. Hey, one track eh. How many effective arrest? How many effective arrest? Enya Ghana Police Service. Ora Bawumia no enya police chair, council chair for 8 years. A dear reforms. Pa no the bar police ni muntia oja hono. Na ye krojin all of a sudden under 16 months police no about be cantantan say ene omo ye de omo pe. Who know what one year? Kabibia was say when the fundamentals are weak. The exchange rate will expose you. Police in 1 year. And it's way a institutional matter. It was a Ghana Police Service and no pay Kiafre Piaro. No tia no otchere mu. Dientia almost on we day Kochi Asumesia now Bentin. That's it. But to be a one year president, that's him be a worker. Now every more Ghana Police Service what better Obama pay. Now what problem? What's it here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, paragraph 5. I therefore serve notice to officers of the state who are active participants in this unholy enterprise that the day of accountability will come and the abuse of state power will be accountable. I started threatening. Oh, 2 minutes ago, we never you. What shall say? 8 troubles. What's it since last year? Nipa 18 year yachom. West. Oh, and I said I'm data yet. Okay, Julobi demonstration. Julobi. 1 day, 1 shot, I receive 50 different. Julobi Fodo, almost Jubilee House here, or Akufo Addo, Hunano, Bawumia, Hunano, Edipa 50, Uti 18 Fremwa, a cap balance of 32. But I know Yamming, person, yes, annual, but I am it. Me you remember before. Me to Mr. As ye we are say ya bon pass so be long life. Me wunjem. Na man go phone go position the tie di ombeka. Hopeson Adorye dey no dey no. Ye fa ne senwa. Na me yi we kura mfiri mu. Me ya me person me yes a political activist no. Station here maso atia na no demu dabi. Until recently ni be program wa NPP for ma. And you say Yamasa. May ba oh, and Yabutre bedroom. Yeah, man, no, you was. Now be before Mo, and if you speech was some the king. And I'm saying, oh, the buyer now, because I'm a crab for coffee and I'm a now, may you master and every okay. May you and get our baby. Until recently, Medina Gusushim. Now, yeah, Baha Mumada, yeah. Almost say. Media general, be it TV3, be it on FM, be it on TV. Actually, our station so, and some of them can and favor womanty or my boycott to the stand say, or my current national vice chair, I a friend of Buga. Press conference openly or time TV3 for microphone, or touching say, generals Onyana, or big Dufuno, una the Kruma. What is so dangerous more than this? 2023 okay. A plus UTV studios omo ye program na jobi and the mebru now I don't even want to go into this matter say police for the arrest of me in the their contribution to the freedom of speech NPP as a political party. Sir, A plus is a TV so a casem and your mode. Abra more the right of redunda. Even some program no sukrano, you will be now or yes sympathetic towards the NPP. No, now the youth wing of the NPP. I'm massing up. No more burglar a live show to say get here, yeah, live programming. Now NPP for that bad day mobile A plus. I mean, we have heard. What about Salamatu Mohammed, a 40-year-old mother of 4? Mamene say 2022 abrabomo edin komo dini wo ye wo bobine su and to Akufo Addo amemu ye omonyon na obomba say go Akufo Addo mu ye peke no now refi mensa mensa Thompson asepa ose Akufo Addo ne mama no any bomb tia fa plane e Ghana plane dey akọ shopping in London ye fa no the order pizza ya fan sanwa no bi ansa de no kakai wozo mampani na Akufo Addo ne hokafo Rebecca Akufo Addo Foundation no akof jinsase aviation landa wo mo afafa wo ya faro wankasa eno ntiro ye hwesa nyoma we nyina no a na kyerese modie enise nkamuka bia se bi bae na kamato ma media houses ne se sa asem we ye kan bia ye party no vote ebetie 41 aba 19 and it ye twe ho next week we the topic for ba ye beba na we omo no aba bedem ya make nyina ne se I don't support ehunahuna eni achiche e we body politics but eno na hu se ekoso ye na me who because you see the data available does not suggest so. Every year no release word a press freedom index you see you deal with the data. In 2022 now your rankings in the world is 60th. In 2023 about 62nd. In 2024 at a tiba 50 and in 2025 a circle 52. And now me no say according to them your rankings number the 39th. So on what basis would I say and your money nyina ejija eno tira me shase no me den kan de we ebusa wo say Mr. Speaker when was the last time I obekasa here because je wudidi ho ne se de bia okasa na wakasa vie petepepe nyina na se de bia kofia na me ye den ma betra se ye before ye nyina a campaign on the economy no omuni asemi ya ombeka because all the indicators omuja nyina ye enya de o se obi dwene ho kra se enkofo bi beba memu ba be sa nioma no e de dia ye de se yen create impression se o man na se je bi dem abra je bia ni ba bia e je bia ni ba bia enso no omo ye de sa but I would want to blibo ne enkofo se asembis ba say ya I was mo push police for mo be chechire mu because in all this Ghana police have so bien carry o hwa abranche ya de bia mo de chichi enkofo da pai o ru Akufo Addo a time no wo ho ene owo ho onu a na chichi in the past ene ne wo chichi aden yan question Ghana police say echi amuchi mu
we are where so onu na chichi in the
past oh no na chichi in the past na pa de obe force enwa oh bobie mu wa yin ya no akofa o mo ayi de bi kra de na mo hobi o wo be fa bobie o mutu ba do wo be negotiate ye be fa o bi se kwabra o de ko enya hwe o be ba church asie but you see me makase anytime police ni ba be chime me ni problem o say o chime wrongfully ma ye me am bomb paye me sue the police institution what you say because of why am I born what are you talking about the police they work with laws omono yes omo di omo sa but when I say akoye politician papa penny or Bawumia hwede o sa ka kire omo bio o show ngutu pa the last one
now we see for mama
me see no kwame we dey ehu pa ehu
na asama o ka papa penny ni Bawumia unze insult
enye insult bia papa penny when you penny oya akwada na bi yo ha oya akwada yo na be tire don't tell me e bia so be tire jana tire baby u fi jedi ye di MC ara because of what the last paragraph here
Jana mane kasa azim no
Mami,
tell out to someone. Na video na oti ase. Say na MC no. Papa Bedi agora say na MC. Yeah, ka say what tie ka no. The last paragraph tie to patrons around the country. I urge you all to stay firm by refusing to succumb to intimidation while continue your civic duty to hold the government accountable to its promises. Odia no omako yentia omo fifa.
Brofo na wonti.
Atemdidi a wonti brofo.
Brofo na wonti ana.
Brofo kra de wonti enti wodi gai. Atemdidi a emabunu ni di no. Dia papa de kanyina ne se montonko so. Na munya de mo ye no. Na ye gina mochi. That is what the man is telling me. Na uko kasa asebwe na osu wia we. Yemfa oman kakraka te se Ghana abrobe wom egudie wom yemfa mbehye wonsa na oba na wonso beye omampani na no likely event na wa masa ade we adi se na nanu sa wonso wo she kutupa na yeso take you on
okay let us say mama mbra believe so just to wrap it up na your time no enti mama mu nyina no 5 minutes believe Ghana I exit the
esemo ye wie
how BBW
esemo o makeka go we na 2 against 1 o Bawumia nya this
because of time. Mami on there.
Sane kasa na waka na papa penyi papa penyi.
No me can say.
Wo we see here. Waka nze hunu ati say we tolerated you. Na can you speak to about when I speak to Alan that way will you be happy?
Why?
Say Alan penyi me you so word be say papa penyi.
No, only penyi. That be no
yes, Mami Tio on the IMF issues, you know, the financial bailout, you know, ye who are free mass of Endra, Nina no Abade, but there is also another coordinated program aban no any IMF akomu sese maminti or net na memra masu also mitio because me shall see if you no so answer.
Sure, Speaker, in fact, just to add to Solo on the previous topic, World International Press Freedom Index, no.
5 minutes.
Yeah, no
time
index, no, and supported muscle argument, no, in the sense that Solo can, Omufia Bayamuno, not we are seeing a toss of 50. Now Africa high a toss of 6. President Mahamadu by Africa high Gyamfi 2 steps, a toss of 4. The whole we are say a toss of 39th. Iti yenya ubia nyamfa ne sanke kan omo memo mu nye dede memo mu nsu se economy hu na obesu a no problem ko fa solution for bra inflation am 3% ka chen so ba o de beba 1% and only argument as say have it and yet not to discuss persons like abronya no nya de in fact
tables not tiny
they say you're free IMF NPP for the enko shame you're free na President Mahama ye manamo e wo kwan a wafa so a drive your mind Ghana a free sir a whole package no emu IMF in sheshe no NPP for the enko rebu no omo ye ya magana for nyina kwa hohiahia in fact 2024 ye ko campaign ko pie constituency bi e ma e wo ho excellence wo mu nyesi kan fan hye omudwam ankrankra bosia e na omoje bosia no insinu e wo ho ano hye nti omato ne din o hye obede bosia that na interest rate even at the bank level crown nam almost 30-something%. And then President Mahama is just a pa or done a dintino policy rate at say about 13%. One more force to say a baby single to get by the end of the year. But just what in a mention. Amamuno Aquaniano a quine and namsuno a tortilla a day. Ama Ubianya a regime say Nema ebeye. For the past 1.5 years, to see in GDP has become, I think, the second or the third biggest in Africa. So big. President Mahama, I said 1% from now going 1% of your GDP, no.
And no specific sector is banned a year.
No, I'm coming. 1% of your GDP as a major policy is now going to go into commercial agriculture. And it's not a small money, big money. Yet say GDP in the say 200 billion. 1% of it is huge. I be call agriculture. I'm a man for ako ye humane this VFMO value for money office President Mahama
yes
are passing into law no. Oni ma dia e ba be ebesi niema boni bebria esisi in the previous government ebesi anokwan say nipa mi timi tena dem hye contract na omo increase bills no unnecessarily e dia ma obako enhwemanim ba wontumi wa ha yenim yesi ye oji 50 million we dino ase no kwa obi ani ha oso no mene sa bonni na careless abandon na ma yen budget deficit in 2024 e shoot you
to be the 50 million na on your court
ana wonim ya to want to be you na
o ba say no galamsey related issues environmental related issues na we
opening me say sa kwan o mo fast wa yen budget deficit so nim deficit the meaning of deficit so minor wo expenditures e bro sika unya eso e shoot ya to almost about 7%. And then budget deficit about as low as 1.2%. It is because contracts being in your market in Kitibia and Crophobia, Eshedem normal a cookie, a day a boar, fufro, atoso, a bro, the contract some Nankasa times 10 near there. Certain no not have value for money office no any ho acting in ho. President Mahamadu Bawumia and sana contract be a bit to me a unity a mo be a year Jumano. FPPA no as I said value for money audit system no so na omo check say enye kwasi ni kofi ene ko share dem
si for mame
ene omo keka omo nsase ene omo shoot price no anyhow na sa de we ebe boa asuppress your budget deficit dan kwa mabino on my Ghana sikasem no ebegyina yie nti president Mahamadu in fact eneno Andre ya free IMF me wo gidie say nhyehyɛ a ɔde to hɔ at the exit of IMF no ebekɔ so ama Ghana sikasem egyina brane okay ama ye ne sene na obi enjoy from the exchange rate ni odi dwa odi dollar ni pound ne ade ediga no wenya hotoso se okoto ade eba ena ne bo no ensesa ochina ne bo no begina ho into the surety in doing going business
believe me that say mami mra maso so na mintie no maso mami mintie
the mechanic say IMF you free me it's all good but
financial bailout no near free more but
maybe
yes
maybe na minu no mo kasa no almost say President Mahama ba na mamu na yeye which aspect of mamu na yeye let's be specific here yenka entum ensins asamso emia futum fra mo say yeja omo a junk economy mebo obi ko ojao a GDP growth of 5.7%. Who say a junk? President Mahama in 2016 was a GDP growth of say near 3.4%. And on a day. And that's Sunday your body Ukraine. Your Jao or forest reserve of 9.1%. Who say a junk economy? No credit. You can't run away from the fact that dollar no ever form same brand NPP or power. But dollar no ever form a same a brand NPP or office no. Mr. Speaker, say economy no aye year. Me pamcho teacher for den into your muka be. The teachers are calling you. Me pamcho ada na nurse for ni ntimi nya sika ntua o muka.
Nurse for the ni ntua.
Me ba omo a ye recruit wo omo no. Ade ye ntua o muka. Eye dan na meni wo kasa electricity dollar abafom but light bill board dey say brand Akufo Addo president by more than 24%. If even went to 28%. Dollar or from yes we all agree say dollar or from water bill na na board dey say brand Akufo Addo president. Me pacho what happened to the cocoa farmers yati wo musika so me find this there from 3001 to 2,580, especially when you promised in your manifesto.
Don't make this lame.
Page 36.
It's too late.
As I won't take cocoa farmers and Sikaso.
Don't make this lame argument.
International market, and upper form, and Nuntino, what bet you cocoa for Sikaso. We are talking of realities here. We are talking of realities here. Eti amamu no dollar no for me ye no kre adan na petrol any diesel board dey say brand Akufo Addo president.
You know 23 cities.
Oh,
23 cities.
Please. Now you see these are verifiable figures. And I made the mensa na esi me boaka sa asema make kire we. This incontrovertible fact. Please, never nyabote.
In 2024, move in
fact, okay, President Mahama Bejina State of the Nations address this year. Or you see Shell prices. Okay, I say Shell, now 15 cedis, 50 pesos. In actual fact, year free is now 15 cedis, 45 pesos. But it's fair, so around then up to 15 cedis, 50 pesos. Now diesel. And a President Mahama kind. Sabrina no workers, I know see diesel and I'm 10 cedis. Many workers say diesel and Shell Krona 16 cedis 64 pesos. Is it not expensive than when President Akufo Addo was president? Who is arguing over this? Why not just ask him we're watching here? Yes, but it's true.
Wait. We once had a little.
You are talking of once.
No, to you are making references to the past. And maybe say you know say full about me koya could do 23 cities.
Yes.
A letter, right? In 2022, in 2023.
Yes, free so 2024. Now a 1 year. I don't know President Mahama. I don't know President Mahama State of the Nations address. No. 123 cities. Let's go make that argument. And the President Mahama quoted 23 cities, no quoted 15 cities.
Check them board, check.
So we are talking of 16 cities, 64 pesos this day. About $1 for my again. Again, Mr. Ramu, so when you hear men's record here, you see, on the external issues will affect on us, and I will not downplay it, just as NBC did previously. Also gradually a dollar na started sorry, you see na started depreciating. I'm a businessman. This morning I checked. In fact, 3 days ago, me call Absa. Na dollar no ye ton no 11 cedis 50 pesos. No more ton 11 cedis 80 pesos. Me pacho o check online update every day. I only say between 3 days in Ukraine asanko so. It's not because of BBL. It's because they say you're spending more in buying fuel. It will hear more dollars now. They are the pressure about $2 so. Na sabio Iran war 9,000 miles per hour. And the President Mahamadu now you koto. I admit say Russia Ukraine war ne COVID saying impact. What the Iran war no any Israel money USD no what is doing to our economy now is making life unbearable for us. Okay. So it's not everything that we have to play politics with it. When your money in our favor, just 10 seconds let me conclude it. Like I always say cocoa prices international market favor when you more forex. Say see a gold prices favor buying into when you more for I mean dollars. Yeah. What you are saying? And say petrol war will form to say the day and President Mahamadu State of the Nation's address. Now a crude between $60-65 now. Obos are buying enough forex. I'm had the idea na musori amoyen. Two ni free honum se siano. What is happening to the economy? Okay. The hardship that it is bringing on.
No credit woman is utility ebo yentu mundu 28% in this country, especially electricity. First quarter and second quarter of 2025, now you have 14.75. Third quarter, now you have 2.45. And fourth quarter, 1.14. Nina 18.34%.
This is a lie.
And until Obetina Hana in your opportunity.
And Wajana
may my data also say this is a lie.
Wow, Conjo, I get James Woman. And Wajana minute
yes. Unye discipline. That is the long and short of it. Because I am a bar, the policy credibility eba. So want to mean balance where you also support or balance of payment position and IMF eba. And until yenu NPP for by 2017 no 2018 2019 obetia no say we have turned the corner. Sabro for no kai. I mean, then say urefi. Tia turn the corner no. Ya more minor ye. All of a sudden, almost if you be by a friend of Russia, Ukraine, and it's on minor say TBO, and then tia ko IMF. So, and this if we take you over now, Russia, Ukraine war ninyo. Menoka say one.
Yes.
Inti. On what basis na no mu use Russia Ukraine no in fact see akra ye ka say the Strait of Hormuz a triple whammy and also Taiwan between Taiwan and China tension ho no esinkoi over Strait of Hormuz Israel Iran US oko one so Russia Ukraine to pay the analogy no say if Russia Ukraine kwa make to me the inflation could do 54 what they boy me and Iran US Israel Asabeka Taiwan and China hold the inflation also get do base 200%.
Taiwan China
tension na one and worship kwame you see we are say oh your friend be a causative agent and you may betimi ama
the reality check is that Taiwan and China I
want you Trump on a meeting. That's the point. That's the point. But even that's the point. But you see, Strait of Hormuz you host about 20% of international trade when it comes to crude. And so say affect
now Russia they are Nigerian.
What you say?
Russia.
And no chira say. What do mean for your sika and go to amena? Na ends to say CD to the dollar and begina amena that's what chira. Upon it to TV.
We argument also.
What do mean 50 52 billion na free Ghana commercial bank account mu say unknown account na ye wia na the former finance minister Ejani Akotra America na we see the Asante
52 billion account
onya gwa you see what ya ben won ka ban what ya ben won ka ban ada na wo ada wo ka sa dia ta boss claims every the ever barwa wa kuma be tujai na woni hu na wo ye no masa enti na ye amemo fun tanta na de wo mun se na alan ka nkokrafo ne mrewafo a ora Bawumia die animu mo mokoye wonu se IMF staff level agreement no ora Bawumia ne die animu ana Ken Ofori Atta ne governor Addison epian de chi oro na di shemu se yenkoma mrewafo no nkokrafo haircut ana makado ora Jekum beka kire se saa die na ora Bawumia die animu ye ma mrewafo no nkokrafo be 800 omo hwere omo nka ora makado oboa meboa na ta mo fu ta ta we be ka sa se what ba tra ga se ma be
na say
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.